Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You open YouTube and tap your profile immediately. You want Incognito active now. Once done, choose Turn on Incognito, and the app switches you into a private session. You do this because YouTube stops saving local search and watch history while Incognito is on. Make sure to note that your signed-in status enables the toggle. If you aren't signed in, you'll use a browser private window instead. This first step gets you private viewing fast without changing device settings. Once Incognito is active, you can watch and search, but YouTube disables likes, comments, and subscription actions so they won't be saved. Make sure to remember that casting to a TV or another device can still expose what you watch on that receiver. If you need actions tied to your account, exit Incognito and sign back in. You cannot perform account-specific tasks within the private session. Also, note that Incognito persists until you tap the avatar and exit, so manage sessions deliberately. When you're done, tap your profile and choose Turn off Incognito to return to your account. Once back, you can review saved history and resume normal features. If the Incognito option is missing, update YouTube, sign in, or clear the app cache. These fixes usually restore the toggle. Make sure to consider policies. School, work, or ISB logging can still record traffic even when Incognito is on. If nothing works, try a browser private window as an alternative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.